Hello, welcome back. Now let's actually start making some changes to our profile. Let's see if we can actually start to attract people. We know the philosophy of how and why we should be doing things, but let's actually start making some implementations. So first things first is the banner image. Now, not a lot of people see value in the banner image. Few people actually use it. And if they do use it, and I encourage you to have your LinkedIn profile open at this time, you've probably got something like a picture of your most recent holiday, maybe a pet or something similar. It certainly doesn't add value. Now, the good news is you don't necessarily need to swap this picture out for something else. You can use a template or you can use that picture, but we need to make that picture work for us. If you look here on my profile, the banner image actually takes up quite a lot of screen real estate, and we should be making that real estate work for us. Otherwise, it's a big waste of space. Now, as discussed, we want the recruiter to open up our profile and for them to immediately know what we do and why we are valuable to them. Now, can we do so even without them reading, or without them having to read much at least? So we can use this space. And, personally, I'm not going for the idea of trying to attract recruiters. I'm not looking for a job. I'm trying to do this for you right now. So my profile is telling people, I show recruiters, I show developers what recruiters see when they look at your profile. But I want to do this from your perspective. So how can we make this work for us? So what we want to confirm here is what tech you use. So I use a tool like Canva. There are many other options out there. And when you create a new design, it will give you a whole bunch of templates that you can use. And some of them are paid. I really don't think you need to use a paid version. Keep it simple like this one. I've picked just a random one here that's just a black banner and opened it up. As you can see, it had 3 little logos on it. I've taken those off, changed the text, put my name, the job title that I might be wanting, an email address so that they always know they've got that to contact me. So what do? Front-end developer, React, and I've got a React logo. So when someone opens this, if I used this, in fact, I don't even know if I've saved it. Let's save it and try and put it in place. Takes a few seconds. Okay, if I now go into LinkedIn and say I want to change my banner, I'll change the photo to be this banner that I've just uploaded. Great, apply it. Hopefully this updates. LinkedIn taking its time. And there we have it. Now, personally, I'm thinking this could probably be bigger. This writing could be bigger. But now, as soon as you open this profile, you know who I am. We could probably forego the name because it's here. But this is a React developer, front-end React. We might want to include some of the other technologies. It might be React, Redux, TypeScript, those sorts of things. But what I want to instill in you today is when someone opens this, no matter whether it's got a picture of your dog or a picture of a waterfall in the background, if it has this very brief information telling someone, this is what you're here for, this is why I'm valuable to you, this is why you should be reading this profile. If you're here looking for a React developer with maybe React, TypeScript and something else, that those logos would pop up, and I'm telling you immediately, this is what I do. Keep this profile tab open. You are interested in me. So let's make this space work for us. And after this, we're going to move on to the profile picture. And I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.